Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL 1S and I'm gonna show you how to use the Camera Pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now, as you can see, we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it to the Pro. We can do it by just simply sliding to the left. And here we have access to other modes of this camera. Now let's pick the manual mode. This is the Pro mode here, and this mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments. So let me start with this settings bar, and let's go from the left. The first one button here is the exposure compensation. As you can see, we have access to this slider, and here we can make our picture just more bright by going on this to the right, as you can see, and by going to the left we can make it more dark. This is how it works here. The next one button here is the ISO, so here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and as you can see also we have this slider, and we can pick ISO from the 100 to the 1/6000 of it, so this is pretty wide spectrum. And this is how it works. At the beginning we have the auto settings with ISO, so come back to the auto is really easy. The next one option here is the white balance, so here we can manage the temperature of the picture, and by using this slider we can pick the daylight, cloudy light, incandescent light and the fluorescent light. So the light depends from which light we have in the area we take a picture. And of course, at the beginning we have the auto settings with the white balance. And the last one button here gives us possibility to adjust the default settings, contrast and saturation. So this is really cool here, and these settings usually are adjusted after taking the picture, not before it. So I think this is really good here that we have this, and as you can see here we can manage this like that. And now let's focus on this button here at the center. By tapping on this we can change the metering also, so we can pick the frame average metering, we can pick also center weighted and spot metering. So this is how it works. Now let me take a picture by using all of these settings. So for example, let me adjust a little bit the exposure compensation now, then the ISO, the white balance, maybe to the cloudy light, and here we can change the contrast and the saturation, and let me take a photo. Now let's go here to the gallery to the left corner, and this is how this picture looks like. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.